Where is my Mimi? Where is my baby? Oh, just a Mimi show. Oh, my cat. My kitty. Mimi, Mimi show. Where are you? Oh, you're my beautiful, my darling, my good girl. Mimi, yeah. Mimi. Mimi. Mimi, my squirrel. Give me some. My Mimi, can you come to mommy?
Yeah.
Yes. Why, he loves me so.
Grabbing with paw and rubbing.
Mommy. He loves mommy. Loves mommy, my kitty. Loves too much. I love you too, Mimi. Sure. I love you too. Mimi, oh, come on, love mommy. You loves mommy.
Yeah.
Oh, he loves mommy. Loves mommy.
Mimi loves mommy.
My darling loves mommy so much. Okay. Okay. So soft. My Mimi. Okay. My darling, my sweetie. My beauty, my beauty, beauty kitty. Oh, you're hungry, my beautiful kitty. Mucho. Oh. My pretty. Mimi. Come on. Love mommy again. I will feed you after, okay? Let's play last. Mimi. Mimi. Come on. Come on.
Come to daddy, come.
Go.
Yeah, 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 yeah. What a soft fur. I like to touch Mimi. So soft fur she has. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Clean, soft fur. Yeah, yeah. Look the paw.
Mimi, come here, Mimi. Come on, cat. Come on, cat. Cat. Yeah. Oh, cat, cat, cat. Mimi. Yeah. Oh, you're good girl.
Hungry, Mimi? Yes, yes, hungry.
Good, my darling.
Need breakfast for Mimi.
Yes, good.
Come on.
Okay. Don't cry. Don't cry, bon appetit.